Picture this: a vibrant pixelated prison home to a group of quirky characters, each representing a different programming language. Our hero, Python, hatches a daring plan to escape. Python calls out, brimming with excitement. "All right, team, we're breaking out of this code prison. Java, you ready?" Java stammers nervously. "Sorry, I have a null pointer exception appointment. Can't make it." Python, a bit deflated, turns to C++. "How about you?" C++, grinning mischievously, replies, "I'd love to, but I'm too busy overloading operators right now." Python rolls its eyes. "HTML, you in?" HTML, looking utterly confused, responds, "Escape? I thought we were nesting divs here." Python facepalms. "JavaScript, any help?" JavaScript, completely distracted, says, "Hold on, I'm dealing with asynchronous events, maybe later." Python sighs heavily, then smirks at the camera. "Well, looks like it's a solo mission. Time for a great escape in Pythonic style." Python starts coding frantically. The prison doors swing open and Python slithers out, leaving the others utterly baffled. Remember folks, when in doubt, Python it out. # escape the code # Python magic.